Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 1/1/5 scale real grade Nu Gundam. Alright, here is the box itself. Now this is basically my birthday gift from my parents, so thank you so much Mom and Dad for actually giving me this birthday present. I really appreciate it. I will get back to building. Well, okay. If you guys didn't know by now, you may be wondering why have you been uploading some videos recently? But because you see the holidays are here, so why couldn't I enjoy the building, making reviews and unboxing reviews? I think I mentioned in my update video and like the XC Repair 3 unboxing, the mail unboxing thing, I did mention that I am working on my GBOC entry. In fact, again, I'm actually working on it, but I'm not gonna show it right now until my entry is finished. Once it's done, once I finish submitting it, I'll show the work in progress video and I'll show you how the end result. But yeah, so again, I apologize for not uploading recent videos. In fact, this table is actually really occupied with my GBOC stuff. So I cleared out my table today just to wait for this unboxing. So hopefully you guys understand that I'm not forgetting about you guys, but I'm actually focusing on my GBOC entry. So because it's my first time, I'm trying my best to make it as good as I can. So yeah, so I apologize if I don't have any updates for that entry and then some of my usual unboxings. You know, excuse me, sorry, I sneezed. Okay, but some unboxing. So yeah, this is basically the major real grade release for this year. Well, everyone was expecting the Nu Gundam to come out after the Sazabi, and they were wrong. I mean, it only came out about a year later, and like originally I wanted to get the real grade Sazabi, but because there's this shoulder joint issue on that kit. Basically the joint's too tight. I said skip that because again I really want Sazabi. The Sazabi is really good, but because of the shoulder joint issue, I said skip on that. The Nu Gundam, I have not seen any issues with so far, especially from seeing MG25 Gundam's review and Kurosama's review. I've seen the reviews and they say it's really good. So if they say it's good, no issues, then well, it means I'll pick this up just for the heck of it. So yeah, surprisingly when I saw their unboxings, I realized there's not a lot of letters in this box. Right? It is a thin box, but the side is big and thin. Yeah, I'll put it that way. I'm not sure why they didn't use like a regular size box, but you know it's Bandai. They can do whatever they want. But yeah, Nu Gundam. I don't have a Nu Gundam aside from the narrative CPACs I've shown you like this year. But you know, it's worth giving a shot trying out this kit. I never had a Nu Gundam, so I wanted a Nu Gundam for a very long time. And when they announced the actually this isn't my first Nu Gundam. The first Nu Gundam I got was the massively high Nu Gundam. That was not. I didn't buy that. My classmate actually bought that for me overseas, and I still have it in my collection backlog. But I don't know where it went. But yeah, so unboxing. On the side here, we have the details about the real grade, and as you guys know, the real grades are now slowly moving away from pre-built inner frames, and now you actually build the frame rather than the frame being pre-assembled. Well, I mean, they still use that advanced image joint, but it's not on the Gundam anymore. It's very little parts. I think the Nu Gundam, as far as I know, there is no advanced image joint part. The only advanced image joint part used are on the funnels, which means okay. I mean, it's perfectly fine. Funnels. It's a good use for the advanced image joint. Let me tell you about the details, about the articulation details about the Nu Gundam. And basically what the guy looks like straight out of the box. Man, this box is really big. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm trying to show this, but the shop I went to actually gave out an action base if you buy the Nu Gundam, if you buy the real good Nu Gundam, which is pretty cool. Kind of wish it's action base 5, but you know, I'm not complaining. If it's a free action base, I'm perfectly fine with it. Although, like I said, I prefer action base 5, but I'm not complaining if I'm getting this game stuff for free. So yeah. On the side, you got more shots of the Nu Gundam. Well, you got the bazooka, the beam rifle, and the funnels, right, which I think are pretty sexy. And it retails, well, it doesn't the price, but it's 4,200, I can't remember. But you know, it's in the box. So it's my first time opening live, so let's sit inside. See if we can. Okay, that's one side. Man, these real grade boxes are getting Getting more and more interesting these days. Okay. Alright. I got the tape open. See inside. It's really big. Holy crap. Okay. Put the thing here. Whoops. Okay. First back we have the marking stickers. Yep, as expected for a Universal Century real grade. You got a lot of marking decals and all the pinstriping. That's pretty cool. One disappointment I kind of wish Bandai would make is the armor symbol. If you notice, there's a pinstriping on the armor symbol, and it's under one decal. I kind of wish they would make a separate one of the A itself alone, but you know, it's fine. You can just use a carbon and cut it off if you don't want to use the pinstriping. But you know, I'm gonna decal it up, so don't worry. You got the H plate, which is basically the joint. Yeah, the joints. And you get the F plate, which is all the navy blue. Kind of looks black in camera, but it's actually yeah. You can see, yeah, it is navy blue on camera. I just noticed. So yeah, all navy blue parts. Neat. Next part we have the D plate and the what plate is this? J plate, okay. And the beam saber, which okay, for the very first time I believe on the real grade you actually get the high grade style beams. Yeah, I'm not kidding, high grade style. Usually they'll give you a real grade size beam that you hit. Basically high grade size, but the peg is like of a master grade. This one in the Nu Gundam they gave you a regular old high grade beam. Which is, yeah, that's okay. I mean, it's good, especially because I don't have a lot of real grade beams, so I figured this would be good. Actually use these high grade beams I have lying around. So yeah, and the D plate with the white parts, and then the J plate, you know, the kind of off white, yeah. You got the B plate, which is the MS joint, which is mostly going on the fin funnels. Yeah, I mean, I'm okay with the fin funnels because fin funnels they full a lot. So yeah, it's fine. Excuse me. All of the parts are there. You got 6 of them, 6 fin funnels, so it's perfectly fine. And you got the let me see what plate is this. Okay, the A plate. Okay, the A plate is a multi-color runner. You got the red, you got the frame part, you got the sensors, and you got the beam sabers. The other beam saber, the launch beam saber, which is curved, and then that beam dagger effect is below the launch beam saber, the tail of the beam saber. The K plate, which is yeah, more like the darker gray color. Really nice detail on it. Really damn nice details. You got the what plate is this? Oh, they don't mention the plate. Never mind. It's the manipulated some other joints. And then you got the I1 plate, which is basically the fin funnels, part of the fin funnels, and then the yellow parts of the kit. Yeah. Kind of worried about breaking that V fin because well, it's really thin. Just when it's pretty damn thin. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. And the last part we have the C1 plate, which is all again for the fin funnels. I know they're gonna make a double fin funnel set for the Nu Gundam, so it's pretty fine with me. Yeah. The E plate again, that's all the navy blue parts for the fin funnels, and then more joints to see fit. So yeah, that's about the stuff. And here are the pamphlets again inside. This is to promote the SD Sango. So again, I watched the first episode already, but I don't know what happened in the second episode or something like that. I don't know why, but yeah. Anyway, but yes, you also get the liner of the new kits coming out. Kind of excited. I really got these 3. I definitely got these 3 guys built. Okay, got built as soon as possible. And the manual. Okay, it is slightly thicker than expected, but it is still thin nonetheless. So, Nu Gundam, yep. So yeah, see, you know, in some ways, the usual stuff. Yeah, basically you get the part. Surprisingly, for a real grade, for 4,300 yen, that is not a lot of parts. I just realized. Oh wow. I will personally buy the crossbone. I'll personally buy the crossbone for a cheaper price, and Well, I think never mind. But I think the reason why because it's the engine is a little more advanced as opposed to the cost of social it's perfectly fine with me. But you know what? But I wish it's cheaper. But you know, never mind. Okay, so basically the introduction of the Nu Gundam and start with the legs. It's basically it's very similar to Master Grade. You got the waist, the chest, the arms, the head, the backpack, and the weapons. And the last part you bit to fill fin funnels. And you got the marking sticker guide. So yeah. Put that back inside. That's one unboxing of the real grade Nu Gundam. Again, I'm not gonna do this immediately because well, I need to focus on my GBM entry first. Once I got that done, I'll get you guys back. I will start building. Actually, no, this is not the first kit I'll be building. I'll be building my Forever Gundam first. There's a reason why. I have to build that kit. Well, it's personal, but you know, there is a reason. So I just put it out there. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Nu Gundam, the real good Nu Gundam, and see you more videos. Peace out.